everybody. My name's Greg, also known as Pops, and this is my garage. I thought I'd take a moment, since this is my inaugural video, to not only introduce myself, but tell you a little bit about the content that you're going to be seeing from my channel. I am a Christian man. Been married to my lovely wife for over 30 years now. I'm the father of 3 sons. Have a wonderful daughter-in-law and an amazing grandson who's about to be 1 year old. I got into tool restoration not too long ago, and started watching some of the guys on YouTube and thought I could share some of my tool restorations with you guys. But I also do a lot of projects, a lot of repurposing of items, and so you guys will be sharing some of that. Just to kind of walk through and show you guys a little bit around the garage. I do have a project that you see here under the tarp that I'll eventually be getting to. Been sitting here for about 6 years, and it's gonna come around one of these days. I do have an entire shelf. Don't mean to get you guys dizzy, but I've got an entire shelf of projects over here. Some tools that need to be restored and things that need to be done. I'll be working on those over the next few months and sharing videos with you guys. I am going to start out, and let me grab this right here. So this is the first project that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This is has a little bit of history with me. This is my grandfather's hand drill, egg beater, whatever you want to call it. I'll be restoring that, and I'm going to start working on that shortly and share with you guys as the project progresses. If you like my content, subscribe, like, and share, and hope to be seeing you guys more often. Thanks. I always like to go back and look at what I started with and compare it to what we ended up with. Now, this is definitely not a perfect restoration. Would have liked to have spent a little bit more time on the handle and gotten this thing a little bit better, but maybe in the future I'll come back and redo the handles a little bit. Just want to thank you guys for taking time to watch this. And like I said, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.